This is a manual heat press. So here's how it works. First, you can see the setting parameters in the panel. Click on one of the options to modify the parameters. Time can also be changed. There is a switch next to the time setting here. Turn it on to represent timing. Off is not timed. Here are the runtime parameters. When the machine is running, real-time parameters will be displayed here. Click on the upper and lower panels to heat. You can see it, and if it turns from red to green, it's heating up. And if it turns red, it's stalled. Clearing means returning all the data to 0. Click Settings. And here's the sample shape. Did you make changes based on your current sample? Here is the sample size. Okay, this is cooling. After setting it up, click Save. Data Management. You can see your previous experimental data here. You can click on one of them. Click Call to use it. Click to the Advanced Interface. You can see there are a lot of segments here, but no. Click Settings Program Settings. You can add it here. Or reduce. Set its parameters. The parameters of the first section are 50 degrees. Hold time is set to 20 seconds. The second setting is 25 degrees. Now set 60 seconds. Click Save. You can see the advanced options. The first section is the temperature of 50 degrees, 20 seconds holding time. When all the steps of the first item are completed, jump to the next item. Return to the standard paradigm. The whole machine is introduced.